What up, guys? It's Trey. Trey Plays, and we got JJ Plays here. And we're going to be doing slime at 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. It's going to be scary. It could turn into a slime demon. It could turn into anything. We don't know. That's why we're doing. We stupid. Let's get action. We're going to start the slime. Hey, back, and we're fixing to put the glue in here. Let me see it. This one. Yeah, like it. We got slime activator. He's gonna stick it in on. I'm fixing. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Give me some more. Give me some more. Okay. No, it's done. You got more than me. You got the same. Okay, guys. So then we add this.
Okay, so I'm in the back of the camera vlogging them, but they could have food coloring to it.
So I'm not. What color are you doing?
Both green.
But yeah, we're not doing green. I think I'm gonna do both.
Okay. A little bit.
Yeah, just do that.
No, get this and then scrape some out and put it in there.
Okay.
No, just put your stick in there.
I'll start stirring it.
Yeah.
JJ, start stirring yours.
Wait.
It's starting to turn into slime, y'all. Looks green and we barely got any slime. It's look, it's like green. We put dark green, but it's like slime, like monster slime. It's pretty cool. That's
Look
why
at
we got
this.
green.
Look at this.
He has more slime than me.
No, I don't. Let me see.
We should add some more glue.
Okay, so now they're gonna get on with the beads. Let's see when the beads are done. Okay, now we're back, and they get to add some.
I need this.
I'm gonna add that much on to make it look cool.
Hold it.
Yeah. They have candles lit.
Just put it in there.
And now
Look at that tree.
Now
we're adding slime activator.
mix that up.
Can I put all this in?
Okay. We're gonna mix this up. Okay.